Hey, what's up guys? Jake. Today is going to be another JavaScript tutorial on ternary statements. So if you don't know what a ternary statement is, it's ternary, which also means three, is you have a condition, a true value, so if the condition is true, then a false value, so if the condition is false. So a simple ternary statement could be let value equals, let's say 1 equals 1, then true, else false. So this is a simple example of a ternary statement that you probably wouldn't even really use. So let's do an actual example. So let's convert this if-else statement into a ternary statement. So let's set the good input equal to, if value equals 10, we can just copy this. So that's the condition, then. So question mark is the then. What do you want to be? What do you want the value to be if it's true? So we want it to just be equal to true. Otherwise, use a colon. Set it equal to false. So that's a basic example. So how can you simplify this even more? You could say good input equals value equals 10. So this expression on its own is going to return a Boolean value, where in this case it's going to return true because value is equal to 10. So let's do a more complicated example quick. So this is a if statement with a nested if-else statement. So how can we convert this into a ternary statement? So let's say good input equals, and we could copy the expression again. So if value is less than 10, then we're going to do another nested ternary statement. So we can copy this next one. Or actually, for now, we could say this will be the true value, and then otherwise, else is going to be false. This might make it easier to see. So if value is less than 10, we're going to set this equal to something that we didn't do yet. Otherwise, it's going to be equal to false. So let's replace this with another nested ternary statement. So value less than 0, then good input equals false. So then false. Otherwise, true. So this is kind of complicated and hard to visualize. If we take this out, it makes it easier to see that just the first expression here, and the true value is this other block. You could just leave it like an if-else statement, but if you're trying to limit the number of lines of code you have, ternary statements are a good option. Thanks, guys.